Hi, how are you?
What did you just say to me?
I just said hi.
Okay, let's settle this with a yo mama fight.
Bring it on.
Your mama's so fat that she had to be baptized at SeaWorld.
Your mama's so old that she signed the Bible.
Your mama's so stupid that she threw a rock at the ground and she missed.
Your mama's so fat that I snapped a pic of her last Christmas and it's still printing.
Your mama's so fat that she got a job as a scene at the movie theater.
Your mama's so fat that she jumped in the air and got stuck.
Your mama's so fat that when God said let there be light, God said to her move over.
Your mama's so old that I found out that Jesus was in her math class.
Your mama's so fat you have to take a train and 3 buses just to get on her good side.
Your mom's so stupid she tried to read a book, but she just exploded.
Your mama's so fat that when she was in school that she sat next to everyone.
Your mama's so dumb that she tried to drown a fish.
Your mama's so old that I told her to at her age and she turned to dust.
Your mama's so stupid that she sold her car for gas money.
Your mama's so fat that when she went to China everybody said Godzilla.
Your mama is so fat she talks like Fred's voice.
Your mama's so fat when she went into space she was counted as a plinth.
Your mama's so dumb that she tried to put the M in milliseconds in alphabetical order.
Your mama's so stupid that when she went to the theater and saw under 18 not admitted, she went home and got 17 of her friends.
Your mama's so fat when she gets on the scales they surrender.
Your mama is so fat that when yo grandma had her she said was that a blimp that came out of me.
Let's take this outside.